Ki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babahatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but pila ban lagyu ban kuli da ka education loan, pila ruban syukola ho number, kanday nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kanday pran riu laisan, arn riu kanday pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan
Nongtrei jong ka Meecl kibadan hapo ka Shatri jong ka Coordination Committee of Registered Meecl Employees Association and Unions hak khat sautrik julia arja apulai kala ujor rahmat Myntri upapet ka Tnat Bording u Abu Tahir Mondal halor ka jingbam yo Tulop jong Nongtrei hadu gini gisngi hak jing ekram igla pathai kubur u president jong union u ba arju rakhar ulapan pauru ya jing sosi halor jing le akyar jong chief managing director jong Meecl Energy Corporation Limited banyakren be kinong yalam jong union hak bay day ba jing bampat pelaj ya Tulop.
We had a very open discussion, be it the functioning of the utilities, the power scenario in the state, the power purchase, the tariff to the consumer, to the industries, the functioning of the regulatory commission. We had a very open discussion because we know the utility to come out of the situation we are in needs a cooperative efforts by each one, be it at the top level until the lowest level of the employees of the organization. We could see that political will of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister Power in charge. As a responsible unions and association, yes, we do have our grievances. We stand here now also telling you that we have not received our salary. We tried to meet our CMD, but maybe intentional or unintentional, he has avoided us, which is very unfortunate because as a utility, as an organization, to move forward, you have to trust one another. So this morning, and we have openly lodged our protest before the Honorable Minister in charge power. Apart from that, we do see that immediately there is no relief. But in the long run, we see there is hope. Why I say that? As I would repeat again, I could see that political will in our Honorable Minister Power. So, from the association and union side, we are going to extend our support, and we have requested him also to take us into confidence. Yes, all matters cannot be discussed with us. We understand that, But there are certain issues where we would like to be involved to see that this organization prosper. So that is what I would like to say as of now. Last month, the month of May, because we have already given notice to the management that our salary should be paid by the 10th of every month. So we were supposed to have our protest on the next working day, that is on the 12th. But since the CMD has given us letter on 8th, he has called us for today's meeting at 1 p.m. But suddenly, half an hour before the meeting, he has cancelled that meeting, which is very unfortunate. We were very hurt by that. But after meeting the Honorable Power Minister, we could see that hope. And henceforth, we will be interacting more with the Honorable Power Minister. I think, as all of you are aware, about the corporatization of the then MSCB. We have been talking about the terminal benefits. The amount at that time was 840 crores. Since no bailout package was provided since 1st of April 2010, the actual valuation has reached a level of 3,276 crores. And all those terminal benefits from 1st of April 2010 till date, till recently, has been spent from the revenue money, which almost cost to around 800 plus crores. So these are the issues where we had a detailed discussion, and the Honorable Minister is very much sympathetic to our discussion, our points raised by us, and he has informed us that the moment the Honorable Chief Minister comes, he will take up this issue, maybe most probably next week, and from that we will move forward. It's always already there. We have given a detailed plans how to work out, and we do hope that all those plans are put into action.
It will be on installment basis, or how is this?
That we will have to look into the details of it. As of now, I can say. As of now, you have seen the Honorable Chief Minister has given a press statement also that every day they are paying around 30 crores to MECL for power purchase. And we had a discussion on this power purchase also. You see, well, let us be very frank. There is no point of hiding anything. Okay, there should be no hiding. Now, when we buy power at a higher rate, whereas when the tariff is, say, 4 rupees or 5 rupees, and when you buy power at 8 rupees, can the government subsidize to each and every category of its consumers? Is it fair? As a businessman, I do business. Shouldn't I pay that extra power which the utility is buying? So these are all the aspects which we have to look into. Yes, domestic consumers, they should be subsidized. It's the duty bound of the government every day to subsidize. But what about the commercial, the industries? Let me tell you here, please work out the benefit the industries has provided to the state of Meghalaya since it's coming to the states from the early 90s. Please find out the facts and figures. What are the benefits we got from the industries? There is almost an outstanding of crores of rupees. So we have asked the Honorable Minister to take action against all those default industries and to repay us and to initiate necessary action as per law. You see, maybe at times we were complacent. At times we have not gone into the details of the MOU, of the agreement which has been made. But I do hope that all the shortcomings be corrected so that in future, if we have any agreement, be it a long term or short term, it will be for the benefit of the utility and the state as a whole. It should not be a one-sided agreement where always you will find that the government departments or the government utilities are at the receiving end.
For the last 20 years, government went on signing and fast-track mostly.
Yes, this is also one aspect of it. So we do hope that with the learned power minister and with us giving inputs, we do hope that we will be able to come out of the things we are at present now, which I would not like to speak openly here, but government has taken a very serious view on this. We do hope that in days to come, you will see the result of this. That you see, there are certain things where a regulatory body have to take decisions wherein it serves the purpose of all. So we do hope that regulatory commissions look into these aspects of being fair to all, be it the utility or be it the consumers.
But commercial and the industry should bear the brand, no?
It's very true. I think you will go all over India. You will see that in Meghalaya, this is the lowest tariff, and maybe they are the pampered lot. I may use that word. And to say here that, you see, industries here. One fellow has told me that your state has been exploited so much, your resources has been exploited so much, that there are people, like an example, for a cow. Cow live on grass, isn't it? But here, there are people from outside the state who even this grass, they are trying to finish up this grass also. So you have got such people from outside the state who comes here and even try to clean up our grass also. So we have to wake up, and I think us as responsible citizen, we have a role also to highlight all these things. It's high time that we have to say and speak the truth. We cannot hide anymore.